Alexis, go ahead and open up your gift from Uncle Willie. There you see Triton's gift in the background. Ooh.
Grandma, and Grandpa are all watching.
Wow, what is this? What are those?
They're necklaces that say
Speak up.
Dream, believe, and then imagine.
That's really nice.
And they all go big fun. Grandma.
Let's see if we can make it so. Hello?
Oh my God!
From Uncle Willie and Auntie Vanessa.
That's from Uncle Willie and Vanessa for who? For Alexis?
Yep.
Oh my God! That's beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you.
What's that in your hand?
Okay. Darren.
Alexis, are you happy?
Yes.
Okay.
You know what that is?
No.
Those containers right there?
Yeah.
Are to hold paintballs.
Oh,
It's a vest to wear when you go shooting paintballs.
cool. Cool. Wow. Awesome. Ow. Ow.
Justin!
And
I don't know how to put it on.
I'll show you. What? Go show. Okay. Go show.
Wow. Wow. What's that?
Doesn't go.
I don't know how you
I'll show you in a
Open it.
second.
I want to put it on.
Open it!
Whoa. Got here. Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa. A paintball gun. A paper gun.
Oh, look at that.
He's like, I like the paper.
See?
We need another pancake set.
Thank you.